All right, so shout out to Chi-Chi. That's right, give it up for Chi-Chi. Okay, cool. So Chi-Chi sent in another name that she is interested in, another Igbo name. So this name is Ndubisi. Okay, so you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Ndo means life, and Bo means is, right? And then Isi means like head or the point or the main idea of something. You put those two together, you don't really say Bo Isi, you say Bisi, all right? So that first part, Ndo, and then that last part, Bisi, you put those two together, Ndubisi. Ndubisi means life is what's most important, or your life is what you should prioritize, like your own life, you know. Basically like, don't run yourself ragged, worried about the things of this world, right? Preserving your own life and living a healthy life and just making sure that, you know, you're healthy and happy and stuff like that is what's most important. Ndubisi. Ndubisi's names give them the power to maintain healthy habits and self-care, empower others to do the same thing, and also set up boundaries when they need to focus on what they need to focus on in order to be successful. Tag and share this video with all the Ndubisis that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah!
America kwenu?
Yeah!
Indojinilo no wakwezo!
Yeah!
Alright, so let me know what you think. Ndubisi. Would that be a good name for your next child if you're expecting one? So, if you would like your own Igbo name, or if you're expecting a child and you're trying to think of a good name that would speak and manifest greatness into their life, or just health and wealth and happiness and just overall well-being, let me know down in the comment section down below. I think Ndubisi is a really good example of such a name because it's really reminding that person and also those around them that life is what's most important. You know what I'm saying? The things of this world can, you know, they can drive you crazy sometimes, right? But making sure that you preserve your life, making sure that you understand and that you're grateful for what you have, and that without your health, you can't build any wealth. You know, without your happiness and your sanity, you won't really be able to, you know, perform well or do the things that you want to do or spend time with loved ones. Then yeah, just being aware of that concept and reminding yourself that, I think, is a beautiful thing. So if you would like a name from the ancestors, if you would like to speak something into your child's life, let me know. Let me know what you think about this name as well too. And anytime that you speak that name or other people speak that name, or whenever someone says Ndubisi, right, they're speaking the power that that name invokes into your child's life over and over again. And you think of all the times that you hear your name, right? Every time they say it, they're going to be speaking that into their lives. So if you would like an Igbo name as well too, let me know. Either way, in the comment section down below, my Instagram DM is there. And also, if you are Igbo and you would like your name featured on the Igbo name, on this series, the Igbo name of the day, I can do that. If you would like an Igbo name, either a middle name or you want to, you know, first name, nickname, anything like that, if you're not Igbo, I can feature your name on the Igbo name of the day giveaway. Just let me know what type of name you want, what type of personality traits that you have, and I'll give you a matching Igbo name, right? So, if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, just tap it really lightly instead, all right? So, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I make a new video, because it could be your video, right? You'd be the first one to know. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about it. And yeah, continue to engage, because all your engagement helps out the YouTube algorithm, and share this message with others. This YouTube channel that highlights Nigerian names is something that a lot of people take an interest in, and I like talking about this too. So if you could help me out, and I can help you out with a name as well too, all right? So every little bit of support goes a really long way. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.